Hi, my name is Joe Desiderio. I'm with Caravan Ingredients. Today I'd like to talk about our Pristine line, in particular our Crackin' Good wheat base. It's part of our Pristine line again. What it is, it's an egg-free cracked wheat base. It helps you create an all-natural product, and it's very clean label, of course, that goes along with the natural product. Whenever you hear Pristine line, what we mean by that is you can be assured that it's free of any kind of artificial colors, flavorings, or preservatives. The first thing you're going to notice is actually the nice, beautiful dark color this has. It's very atypical from your typical wheat bread. That partly due to the natural sweetener in there, particularly sugar. Make no mistake about it, this is a premium, healthy wheat bread base, in particular a cracked wheat base. I'm just going to cut some open, maybe give you some kind of idea. I wish you could hear the crust sound when I cut this, but I'm not sure it's going to pick it up. But it's got a very crunchy crust to it, with a beautiful inside structure to it. If you can see the cracked wheat in there, that's a good complement of cracked wheat in the base. For conventional systems, for small retailers, or even your large wholesalers out there, don't be afraid to run this because it runs on any high-speed line. I just put a little cracked wheat topping on them with a little bit of oats and some steel cut oats on there. Like again, I said, with the Pristine line, you can be assured you're going to have a clean label product. Really helps you get into that market that people are looking for now with healthy, whole grain breads with a clean label.